As a core supplier to leading automotive brands worldwide, this manufacturing company runs extensive automated production lines, generating massive volumes of production data, equipment status, and alarm signals every single day. As that data kept growing, problems started piling up. Some production statistics and historical queries were taking minutes, sometimes tens of minutes, to return. Hourly output analysis couldn't keep pace with real-time dashboard demands. Alarm and downtime analysis relied on complex SQL queries. Quality traceability required cross-system correlation. The result? Slower operations on the shop floor and slower root cause analysis when problems arose. Without restructuring their existing MES infrastructure, the company adopted DolphinDB to build a unified industrial data foundation, integrating data from PLCs, robots, testing equipment, SCADA, and MES into a single platform, and upgrading their production statistics, historical analysis, and quality traceability capabilities in the process. For shift-level production statistics, query times dropped by approximately 98.5%. Hourly output queries now respond in under 100 milliseconds, a performance gain of over 100. Alarm and downtime analysis, once taking tens of seconds, now complete in hundreds of milliseconds. In stress testing, scaling from 10 million to 100 million, production records core queries maintain stable, consistent response times, leaving plenty of headroom for future growth. For this manufacturer, DolphinDB delivered more than a performance upgrade. It marked a real shift toward the kind of real-time data processing capability that smart factories depend on. From real-time monitoring to quality traceability, from equipment analysis to operational decision-making, massive volumes of industrial data are finally being converted into real production value. DolphinDB, a high-performance time series platform for the IoT era. Extreme performance, streamlined architecture, powering the future of intelligent manufacturing.